Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock phone apps without extra app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Click on Security. Now go to Privacy and App Encryption. Enter your password. Now go to App Encryption. From here, you can lock your apps without extra app. That's it. So this is how to lock app without extra app in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.